Hello friends, and welcome to another Lulu Ladybug Creations Tumbler tutorial. Today we're going to be working on a Peekaboo Glitter Galaxy Star Tumbler. Hi, my name is Christy. I'm the owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations. If y'all are interested in any of my tumblers, please email me at lululadybugcreations@yahoo.com. Please be sure to follow me on my other social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all over 3 platforms at Lulu Ladybug Creations. And I really do hope y'all enjoy the beauty of handmade. All right, so we're going to get started off with this tumbler that I glittered. I was using it for another project and decided, no, I'm not going to do that. So we're doing something different. I cut out all these stars and we're going to place them randomly just all over the tumbler. And yes, we're going to use every one of these stars. I actually cut out 54 stars. And I'm not going to put them in any order. We're just going to place them randomly over the entire tumbler. And yes, we are going to use all of them. Okay, so I got these spray paints ready. We're going to use Claret Wine, Gloss Purple, Canyon Black, and a Metallic Blue. And they're all from Rust-oleum 2x. Spray paint, except for the metallic blue that's from Krylon. Now we're going to just spot paint this tumbler, just all over the place, just spots. And we're going to use each color, going in with Claret Wine now. What I should have done, and you'll see here shortly, is that I should have went with my Canyon Black first. Because when I go in with the Canyon Black, I end up, it looks like it's covering up all these colors. So I end up having to go back over the blacks and respraying the other lighter colors over the black. But then at the very end, what I do is I use my metallic blue and I lightly spray over the entire tumbler with my the metallic blue, giving it because it has like a little shimmer to it, so it gives a good coat over the entire tumbler. So that's what I end up doing toward the end. I know it looks like a mess right now, but please trust the process. All right, so now we're going to go in with our glitter colors. I've got all these glitter colors from Makerflo and the Glitter Guy. I have them all linked down in the description. I think I used Electric Blue, Cosmic Carbon. Goodness, I can't remember the other 2 from the Glitter Guy, but I do have them linked below. We're going to go in with glitter glue, and we are going to place the glitter onto the tumbler using the glitter glue method. And I'm using my hand, I'm not using a brush, because I want I want a really thin coat of the glitter glue. So yeah, we are going to go in with our glitter colors next. And I do use every single one of the colors. And what I'm doing is I'm going over the spray painted areas that match the glitter. Now, the only thing I didn't do was when I spray painted Claret Wine, I didn't use a wine colored glitter or a maroonish glitter that would have matched with that spray paint. Instead, I went with a lighter purple instead, which is this one right here. And I felt like that purple just would have looked better for a nighttime sky color. So we'll get all these colors placed on the tumbler. Toward the end, I use Cosmic Carbon, which is the black, and I pretty much use it over all these colors to kind of blend it all in. Okay, so we did let it dry for a couple of hours. Now what I'm going to do is, oh, and I did spray a little bit of Rust-oleum 2x clear spray paint. I didn't spray too much because we're going to go in with the glitter glue toward the end of filling up all these stars. But yes, what I did to make sure I lifted up all my star stencils was off to the side, had a piece of paper and a marker. So every star that I lifted, I did a little tally mark on the paper. That way, when I thought that I lifted up every one of the stars, I can go back to that sheet and count my stars to make sure that I lifted up 54 stars. And yes, 54. Now, speaking of 54, I did lose one. So I don't know. I was picking and poking through throughout the tumbler to see if I could find it. And I couldn't find that last star. So in the end, we have a total of 53 lifted stars, Peekaboo stars. Okay, so now that I have all my stars lifted, we're going to go in with Crystalac glitter glue and a makeup brush, and we are going to seal all this glitter in, let it dry for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back in with epoxy. Okay, now that my glitter glue has dried, we're going in with, I think I used 20 milliliters of Lumelite quick coat epoxy. And it's a really thin viscosity. Y'all know what I mean. But I really do love this glitter because it does, this epoxy, because it does dry quickly. But we're going to go over the entire tumbler with this epoxy. And then once we get it all covered, we'll go in with our next step. All right, so we're going to go with Chase Rae glitter, and it's in the color Amethyst. And we're going to add it to the remaining epoxy that I have left over. And I think it was probably like maybe 5 milliliters of epoxy. We're not going to use it all anyways, but I'm going to get I started off with a popsicle stick to place it, kind of like going into it with the Milky Way method. But I'm not going over the stars. I'm just going in between the stars here and there. And I end up using my gloved finger because I wanted it to be a little bit more thicker. Because what I'm doing is really just adding dimension. And see, I'll go in with my gloved finger. And guess what the look I'm trying to achieve here is kind of like shooting stars. Making it like, shooting stars. Anyways, I hope y'all are still with me at this point. Please be sure to stay till the end. Really does help my channel out. But yeah, we'll get all this Chase Rae glitter, Amethyst, placed over the entire tumbler, and then we'll go in with our next step. Okay, so the next glitter we're going to use is a star little stars that I got from Michaels, and I guess it would be a chunky glitter, but they're cut out like little stars. So we're just going to add a lot of little stars here and there over the entire tumbler, just to give it a little bit more bling, I guess is what I'm trying to achieve here. But we look up to the stars. In a dark night, there are tons of stars, right? So that's what we're doing here. Okay, so after I get all these stars placed on the tumbler, we're going to go in with the little torch and pop any bubbles that there may be on the epoxy. And this tumbler's done. We'll come in with a picture and a video. And yeah, it came out really, really pretty. The lighting isn't too good on the photo, but you'll see here that it is really, really pretty. I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all got something out of it. I hope y'all got some ideas from it. And if y'all do and recreate this tumbler, please be sure to tag me. I would love to see y'all's creation. All right, so that concludes this tutorial. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And please be sure, with any comments that you may have, suggestions, please leave them below in the comment section. And also, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I really do want to thank y'all for watching this video till the end. And please hold on for just a little minute, because toward the end, I've got some more videos for you to watch. Thank you again for watching. Bye.